Daisy. Yeah, good sheep. I have these two clamps. This one sucks. That one's awesome. These ones with the rubber, so that I can keep my roof at as parallel to the wind as I can. Hey, buddy. Good boy, my buddy. Yeah. Good boy. He doesn't like petting so much. It's not like JC and my other sheep that just love attention. Jeez Louise. Just like 30-mile-an-hour winds. Not too bad yet. It gets to 50-mile-an-hour winds here. I have to batten down my doors. I have to shut them when it's that windy. Sheep don't care as much about rain as goats. Not nearly. Sheep are happy enough as long as they got their face dry. So all they need is a tree with any type of significant branch that has an angle that they can stand under, like how Happy is over there. Happy! Happy! Happy, 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 happy. Come here, Happy. You silly sheep. Are you happy to be under a tree with no leaves in a storm? Doesn't even care. See, his butt's hanging out. He could easily push his way in here. He's such a bossy butt. But as long as his head is dry, then it's all right. Sitting on this side. I can either sit back, face that way. I can recline the most in the corner, or I can sit the most upright if I want to have like the table here. Got the heat rising up in my face. I'm not a YouTuber that likes to have my face up in the camera all the time. Sorry guys. Feels awkward. I never liked the stage. I love this pear butter. This pear butter is like 25%. 25% sheep milk. So it's a different type of sweet, different flavor. Sheep milk is pretty sweet. I can dry out my socks in like 5 minutes when I take the two stove handles and rest them against each other as an A-frame above that I can hang my socks from. Works really well. I'm impressed. Awesome. Good sheep. I don't know why, but this supposedly lesser quality forward-facing camera, where I can see myself at the same time, it's way better at picking up on light. Way better at picking up on light. Making some potatoes, cooking it with my solo stove instead of my larger heating stove, because I can cook potatoes with a little small handful of wood, as opposed to a couple large pieces that it takes, and the sticks that it takes to get those dogs started. As long as it's flaming, it's an open flame, and there's no smoke on this stove, or relatively no smoke. I'm able to burn it with a side door open. I love this solo stove. It makes cooking such a breeze. I only have to feed it a stick stick or two every half hour. Whereas all the other stick burner stoves, I have to feed them sticks way more regularly than once every 30 minutes. I have to feed them like once every 5 minutes, roughly. It's a huge difference.